Make sure you wear mask for safety because this is very dangerous or health. You don't want to breathe this thing. You don't want to breathe this thing. Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to spray this thing here underneath the vehicle. So this is the one that's blasted last night. So right now I'm going to finish it all. I'm going to spray it with anti-rust. This is what I'm using. I bought a zero rust. This is good stuff. It's very good stuff for undercoating. This stuff is direct to metal, so you don't need to take off the whole rust there. All you do is just clean up a little bit, take off the flaky rust there. So this is good stuff. So this is a little bit thicky. So what you need to do is to thinner a little bit. So I mix it 1:1 ratio with this medium reducer here, what I bought here. And I bought a mixing cup ready to screw on the my paint gun. So this one I'm using. This is very good. It's easy and more cleaner. And there's a filter in it. So I'm using my spray gun here, primer gun, 1.8 for fluid to flow. So this is a good gun for kind of stuff like this, or thicker. A little bit big hole. And it's ready to go. So I'm gonna shake it pretty good. So I'm gonna spray this first, zero rust, good stuff. After the zero rust will dry, I'm gonna apply this thing. Maybe tomorrow, this thing. This is the final fluid film. Very, very good stuff for the rust in this country. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. Right now, we're gonna spray the whole under chassis of this vehicle. This is gonna make me a good vehicle after that. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy watching. So let's go. One thing guys, I'll tell you, this is the perfect time to spray the underneath of the vehicle because you don't need to worry about the overspray. Once you paint the whole truck and you're done undercoating, so once you finish the whole painting of the body of the truck, it's done. So right now, it's the perfect time to undercoat while everything is still rough. So if you do undercoating, if you're painting the whole truck, so make sure you do the underneath first. Everything's done, mechanically good. Everything underneath is fixed. Okay, so let's go. Let's spray the whole under chassis in the frame. So okay guys, before we're gonna spray, make sure you wear mask for safety because this is very dangerous or health. You don't want to breathe this thing. So make sure you wear gloves too. I like these gloves. So alright guys, ready to go. So enjoy watching. Just one coat. Just one coat, let's let it dry, and then I'll put another coat after. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You can spray that too. Okay guys, right here as you can see here, these are all the bolts holding the rear end of the vehicle. These are for the backing plate, the mount there, the knuckle. These are the bolts for the axle. That's one axle there. Everything is the rear end and right rear, and this one is the left rear end. So I clean it out and now it's ready for painting. I sprayed this one already a little bit. Now I'm filming it so that you can see what I'm doing here. So right here I hang all the, this is the bolt holding for the upper control arm. That's the one there hanging. This one I painted already. That's the upper control arm bolt. This is the washer of the bolt, special washer of the bolt. There's a number in it, there's a marking on that thing. Special washer for this bolt of the upper control arm of this Chevrolet Silverado. So I'm just painting it so that it will not be rusted again. Just preserve it. See that I sprayed it on there. So right now I'm going to start to spray this on. Alright, sprayed everything. And I own my fan, there's a little nut. So it will gonna be a nice rear end with no rust. Right there. I'm gonna spray it more. Spray it more on the other side. That's how you're gonna restore the vehicle, guys. Is you have to paint everything, especially this bolt, so that it will not rusted out. So this is the one that holds your vehicle, so it's gonna be should be clean and the right front, so that to avoid the rust in the future. It's gonna be a good truck, durable truck. So that's it, guys. Very nice. Okay guys, after spraying the toe coats, as you can see here, this stuff is really good. As you can see, this is like it's a little bit wet, and this still rust. It penetrates to the rusty parts of the metal. It will soak to the entire metal, guys, to protect that metal, preserves the metal to not to be rusted. That's how it looks like. So you need to wait 24 hours to dry after you top coat this stuff to get the good results. So I used this last time in my Jeep, so it's really good stuff. As you can see here, see it's soaking there. It penetrates to the metal like rusted metal. That's good stuff. So right here, that's good enough. Show you here the frame. Right there, everything is painted until the rear end of the vehicle. Look at that. It's really good stuff. As you can see there, it's still wet there. That thing that penetrates the rust. So that preserves the metal, guys, not to be rusted. You can see it's really good stuff. It's as expensive stuff, guys, but it's worth the money. So it's one can. It cost me $60 plus, around $63. So, but really good stuff. Okay, now let's gonna wait until it's dry 24 hours. Tomorrow I'm gonna top coat with something, maybe another anti-rust. And right here, show you guys. See, way better look. Very nice, guys. Black, shiny. But once this stuff will gonna dry, the shiny portion will gone. So it's gonna be looks shiny for now because it's still wet. Tomorrow it will gonna be dry. So we're gonna top coat this tomorrow with another anti-rust paint, the final, and then we're gonna apply the fluid fill. Right here, show you. Wow, that's the look, guys. Everything is good there. Now after the dry, I can put everything here. My my hub bearing, my hub bearing assembly. I can put the axle back in. Everything, the park brake system, the rotors, and put it back right now so that we can drive it and move this truck outside so that we can clean the entire underneath here. I'm gonna clean up there. So this truck's gonna be soon restored. It's gonna be a nice truck after. So keep watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I think that's it for today, and I'll see you next time to prep this vehicle to the final round of paint job. Okay, right on. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.